Powerhorse truck loader is a machine that can be used to vacuum up leaves and debris, shred them, and then load them into a truck, trailer, or pile. It is a convenient way to clean up your yard without having to rake or bag the leaves yourself. The Powerhorse truck loader comes in two models, a 212 cubic centimeters model and a 420 cubic centimeters model. The 212 cubic centimeters model has a smaller engine and is less powerful than the 420 cubic centimeters model. However, it is also lighter and more affordable. The 420 cubic centimeters model is a better choice for larger yards or for heavier debris. Both models of the Powerhorse truck loader feature a vacuum hose. LEER truck caps are a popular option for truck owners who want to add secure storage and protection to their truck bed. LEER is a leading manufacturer of truck caps and tonneau covers, and they offer a wide variety of styles and features to choose from. LEER truck caps are made from fiberglass or aluminum, and they come in a variety of colors to match your truck. They are designed to fit specific truck models, so you can be sure of a good fit. LEER truck caps typically have a locking tailgate and side windows for ventilation and access. Some models also include interior lights, roof racks. Hilltip Icestriker is a line of truck and UTV mounted salt and sand spreaders designed for de-icing roads, parking lots, and walkways during winter weather. They come in a variety of models with different capacities and features to meet the needs of different users. Poly hopper models. These models are made of lightweight, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and are designed for use with pickup trucks and light trucks. Stainless steel models. These models are more durable and corrosion-resistant than poly hopper models, and are designed for use with larger trucks and commercial vehicles. All Hilltip Icestrikers feature a 12 or 24-volt electric motor that powers an auger or conveyor belt to spread salt or sand from the hopper. The spreaders can be controlled by a variety. Black Ice Trifold Snowmobile and ATV Ramp is a versatile ramp designed for loading snowmobiles and ATVs onto trailers or truck beds. It folds down compactly for easy storage and transport, and unfolds into a sturdy ramp that can handle loads of up to 1,500 pounds. Pen_Spark. Trifold design. The ramp folds down into 3 sections for easy storage and transport. High strength, lightweight aluminum construction. The ramp is made from lightweight aluminum, making it easy to maneuver, but it is still strong enough to handle heavy loads. Wide track grips. The outer panels of the ramp feature wide polyethylene ski guides that provide low-resistance loading for snowmobiles with any type of carbide. Center traction rungs. The center ramp panel has exposed Kingspan TruckMaster is a portable diesel storage and dispensing tank designed for safe transportation of diesel fuel. It's handy for refueling equipment on-site, especially in remote locations where there are no gas stations nearby. Kingspan offers the TruckMaster in 4 capacities, ranging from 53 gallons, 200 liters, to 114 gallons, 430 liters, to meet your refueling needs. Pen_Spark. Lightweight, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, construction. This makes the TruckMaster portable and easy to move around, but also robust enough for the demands of off-road use. Lockable lid. This helps to deter theft and tampering. Daniel's Dragon is a truck-mounted rear plow designed for heavy-duty snow removal. It boasts a powerful hydraulic wing system that allows for a full plow width of up to 16 feet, making it ideal for clearing large areas quickly and efficiently. Hydraulic wings. The independently operated wings can rotate up to 180 degrees, allowing you to adjust the plowing width to match the conditions. This is especially useful for clearing alongside buildings or narrow roads. Down pressure. The Dragon plow applies downward pressure to the moldboard, which helps to cut through tough snow and ice. Simple underbumper mount. The plow mounts easily under the bumper of your truck, allowing for quick connection and disconnection. Hydraulic relief and shear bolt design. This protects the plow from damage if it hits a hidden obstacle. Standard two-piece design. The two-piece design